Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this picture slide. Okay, at first, if you like this kind of content, you can search my channel. You may find many contents like this. And please like and subscribe. I make lots of effort to create them. Okay, let's start. We need a new slide. And for that, we need to create these two pictures. Let's see how we can create them. It's totally an easy one. For that, we need to go here and use triangles. We create a triangle by pressing shift. You create a triangle that is best for show. Some of you may say it's some mathematical triangle. Right, you're right. It has a name in mathematical matters. But the important thing about is that whenever you press shift, it's always don't create the triangle you want. And it differs from time to time. Because of that, I don't refer to call it by its name. Okay, we create this, we then color it black, and then select all of them and put out the shape outline. Then we need to create this text. This text says American cities. How I create this text? It's really easy. I just copy the text American cities in the two different spaces. How? There are two things. One A in a text box and another A on another text box. It looks good and I like it. And for the font I use overdrive sunset, and for the shape format I use this thing. It's a really good one. Now we need to have the pictures. I format background and then save background. By saving, it's going to save the picture, but I don't like it. For that, what I do, I save the background to here in the pictures. Then here I'm going to paste the picture. I'm going to insert the picture, this device, this picture, and also I'm going to do the same thing for this picture, and I'm going to insert it. It's an easy process. You can use it whenever you have a PowerPoint and you like to have the background picture. It's a good one. Okay, we have two of them. Now what we are going to do, some of you may think you are going to here and set the picture or texture and insert the picture, or insert the picture from the file like that. It's one way we can create it. Let's go by this way. Insert, for example, picture 1. But you see we have a problem. Can you guess? We must delete this option. Okay, and another picture, we are going to add it from this picture. I think everything is great. We can use for the shape, we can use the shape format here, merge options, but we don't need them now because this thing do the work always as well as them. Then we need to add a little shadow to them. I said the right shadow is good, or the left, whatever you want. Then we need to create these two slides. Let me just copy them. We need to format the background. Okay, it's good. It's New York, and from here it's LA. I need to add LA to the. I don't know if these houses are now available after the fire, but okay, we are going to create them. We create this thing that we have in the background. This is how we create it. We create a rectangle here. Let me show you. After creating that, we set the background to black and set the transparency to low. This is how this picture has been created. This is like use this shape format here, and also overdrive sunset texture, and also for this thing we do the same thing, and then we easily set the transition to morph. Now let's see how it looks like. You see in the transition matter it's not looking very well, but as you can guess, it's a well created presentation and you can use it. But if you want, you can do some tricks, for example, to make a transition. For example, let me bring a picture and send it to back, and you see nothing happening because you need to scratch these pictures to create a transition. But it's not important. You create this and it looks like this, and it is good for the persons they want to save their Photoshop, save their presentation as PDF. For example, let's say they want to have it as a PDF. Microsoft Print to PDF full pages. Yes, print all sheets. For example, let's print it. Let's print it on desktop. We call it D. Let's open D. You see, it's really good when you are using, for example, someone other's PC for running your presentation. And why is it good? Because when you are using another one's PC, maybe when you don't save them as a PDF, it's sometimes destroy your phones. They maybe don't have overdrive sunset. But when you save it as a PDF without any animations and options, it's not going to be destroyed. And you see, it's very well viewing and you can see it very well. It's personally amazing. I like this kind of content. And don't forget, you can print it better. I print it by Harry. You can make it better. Okay, this is the point. Don't forget to ask me if you need anything, and please like and subscribe. Until the next time, see you.